Did you know that the ancient sailors believed that fish could heal wounds and protect their hearts? Well, turns out they were onto something. Research from the American Heart Association shows that omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in certain foods, are like a superhero for your cardiovascular health. Today, we're going on a delicious journey to uncover the top 7 omega-3 rich foods that your heart will thank you for. Let's start off with food number 1, fatty fish. Imagine this. You're sailing the high seas, and you come across a school of fatty fish. Those ancient sailors believed that fish could heal wounds and mend hearts, and they weren't wrong. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are rich sources of EPA and DHA omega-3s. These omega-3s reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and keep your heart's rhythm steady. Plus, they're like nature's armor, protecting your heart from the challenges of modern life. To include fatty fish in your diet, aim to enjoy them at least twice a week. Grill or bake them for a heart-healthy meal. A recommended amount is about 3.5 to 4 ounces per serving. If fish isn't your favorite, consider trying different recipes or exploring canned versions like sardines, which are equally rich in omega-3s. Food number 2, flax seeds. Fast forward to today's world, and we've got another heart-boosting hero, flax seeds. These tiny seeds are like the secrets of heart health hidden in plain sight. Packed with ALA omega-3s, they support your heart in a mighty way. You can easily sprinkle flax seeds on your morning yogurt or blend them into smoothies. These tiny warriors might be small, but they deliver a powerful punch of heart-loving nutrients. To include flax seeds in your diet, simply sprinkle ground flax seeds onto cereal, yogurt, or add them to baked goods. A recommended amount is about 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds per day. If the texture is a challenge, consider mixing flax seeds into foods with stronger textures, like granola or muffins. Food number 3, walnuts. Now, let's talk about walnuts, the brain-shaped nuts that are also brain-boosting for your heart. These hearty nuts provide ALA omega-3s, offering you a crunchy way to show your heart some love. Toss walnuts into your salads, oatmeal, or simply enjoy them as a snack. They're like little packages of omega-3 goodness that your heart craves. To include walnuts in your diet, sprinkle chopped walnuts onto salads or oatmeal for added crunch and nutrition. A recommended amount is a small handful, about 1 ounce, as a snack or added to meals. If you're not a fan of walnuts' strong flavor, consider mixing them with other nuts in trail mix or blending them into smoothies. Food number 4, chia seeds. Ever heard of chia seeds? These tiny wonders have been celebrated for their energy-boosting properties for centuries. But they're not just about energy, they're a fantastic source of ALA omega-3s that your heart adores. Turn breakfast into a heart-healthy delight by creating chia seed puddings or adding them to your overnight oats. These seeds might be small, but they carry a big message: your heart matters. To include chia seeds in your diet, mix them with liquid to create a pudding-like texture or sprinkle them onto yogurt. A recommended amount is about 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds per day. If the texture isn't your favorite, consider blending chia seeds into smoothies or mixing them into foods with similar textures. Food number 5, soybeans and tofu. It's time to embrace the power of plant-based protein with soybeans and tofu. These options aren't just for vegetarians, they're for anyone who wants to give their heart some extra tender loving care. Soybeans and tofu provide you with ALA omega-3s while also being excellent sources of protein. Whether you're munching on edamame or enjoying a tofu stir-fry, your heart is in good hands. To include soybeans and tofu in your diet, steam edamame and season them with a pinch of salt, or add tofu cubes to stir-fries and salads. A recommended amount is about 1 to 2 servings of soy-based foods per day. If you're not accustomed to these foods, start by adding small amounts to your meals and gradually increasing them over time. Food number 6, hemp seeds. Picture this. Hemp seeds, those tiny powerhouses that hold the secret to a HeartSmart diet. Rich in ALA omega-3s, these seeds add a nutty crunch to your meals and a boost to your heart. Sprinkle hemp seeds on your salads, blend them into smoothies, or add them to your morning yogurt. Each seed carries the promise of heart wellness and vitality. To include hemp seeds in your diet, simply add them to your meals as a topping or mix them into recipes like granola bars. A recommended amount is about 1 to 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds per day. If you're new to hemp seeds, start by adding a small amount to your favorite dishes and gradually increase as you become accustomed to their flavor. And last but not least, let's talk about a supplement that's like a gift from the sea, cod liver oil. It is food number 7. Apart from omega-3, it is also packed with multiple essential vitamins. This ancient elixir has been used for generations to support health, and for good reason. If you're seeking an omega-3 boost, cod liver oil can provide you with both omega-3s and vitamin D. It is also packed with vitamin A in higher amounts than in carrots. Remember, before adding supplements to your routine, consult with a healthcare professional to ensure they're right for you. Take cod liver oil as a supplement according to the manufacturer's instructions. But hey, be careful. Too much cod liver oil can lead to vitamin A poisoning. And there we are, a journey through the top 7 omega-3 rich foods that can empower your heart's journey. From the tales of ancient sailors to the science of modern research. Omega-3s are your heart's best friends. Now it's your turn to set sail on a heart-healthy adventure. Incorporate these omega-3 rich foods into your diet and watch your heart shine. Remember, your heart deserves the best, so treat it well. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the HeartSmart channel. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss a HeartSmart update. Are you ready to fuel your heart with these amazing omega-3 rich foods? Share in the comments which omega-3 source you're most excited to add to your meals. And if you're not already part of our HeartSmart community, click that subscribe button to join us on this journey to heart wellness. Remember, this video is for education purposes only. It's not a substitute for professional medical advice.